Hey everyone, today I'm here to show you the Perfect Pack 180 tube filling machine. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the machine, what comes with the Perfect Pack, how you use the Perfect Pack, and how to create high quality pre-roll cigarettes with the machine. So let's get into it. The Perfect Pack is a portable cigarette and artisan tube filling machine, which works with hemp as well as sticky cannabis. The Perfect Pack uses a screw filling method to ensure a tight pack right around the filter or crutch of the pre-rolled tube. This is essential in a pre-roll to ensure that you get a good smoking experience. The Perfect Pack 180 is named as such because on average you can fill 180 cigarettes per hour. So let me show you what comes with the Perfect Pack 180. The Perfect Pack comes with the filling machine, power cord, hopper attachment, tray, and a few accessories to help clean and maintain the machine. To use the Perfect Pack, you place the tray under the filling rod, the hopper on top of the feeding mechanism, insert the power cord, and you are good to go. Now you simply load some of the cannabis or hemp into the hopper, you lift up the clamp and slide a tube onto the filling rod. The clamp is what you use to adjust the tightness of the pack. By twisting the toggle left, we loosen the clamp and so create a looser pack. If we twist the toggle to the right, we tighten the clamp and create a tighter pack. You're going to have to experiment to determine what works best with the material you are using and what type of pack creates the draw that you want your customers to have. Right now, I have the Perfect Pack dialed in to get the pack that I want. So I simply lift up the clamp, load the tube onto the machine, and press down on the power button. As you can see, the cigarette tube is slowly pushed off the machine as it is filled until eventually the cigarette falls off finished. At the end, when the cigarette is about to fall off, we may want to hold the cigarette to ensure that the end gets well packed. The Perfect Pack can be used for small production runs as we can fill cigarettes in quick succession. And as you can see, the Perfect Pack packs the cigarette well throughout the entire stick and does it consistently over multiple fills. And right towards the crutch, we get that satisfying snap you expect from a well-packed cigarette. The Perfect Pack 180 will work with both cigarette tubes and artisan tubes. With the artisan tubes, we have to just be a little bit more careful when we load the tube as it uses the ultra-thin French rolling paper, and we can accidentally crush the tube through rough handling. So that's how you use the Perfect Pack to create hemp and cannabis cigarettes. If you have any questions at all or are interested in other pre-roll machines, packaging, or cones, please visit our website www.customconesusa.com. Thanks for watching.